Hey everyone, I'm Jessica Neistadt and welcome to today's tutorial. I had the pleasure of teaming up with fellow creators Sam and Jess. They make fun lifestyle vlogs that take their viewers through their daily life. They've recently switched over to Premiere and together we're showing you some of the awesome new features that Premiere has to offer, whether you're also new to the software or a longtime user. Today we're talking color matching. Let's dive in. To work faster and stand out, let's take a look at color matching. To get started with color matching, let's open Premiere Pro's color workspace layout. This is a great way to get started with some of the color panels, like Lumetri color correction and scopes. If we look through Sam and Jess's timeline, there's a bunch of different clips. Some shot in the car, out by the lake, or in their house. Sometimes you may film different clips at various times of day, in multiple locations, on separate cameras, or on your phone, and it can help to make certain clips connect visually with a consistent color palette. Let's start with their dog Zara. What a cutie! Maybe we want to make some of those color adjustments to this shot to bring out the detail of those background mountains, or to make the water feel a bit more vibrant and tropical. For this edit, I'm going to bring down the overall brightness through exposure, and then add in some contrast with the basic correction sliders. I'll also open the creative menu to adjust the vibrance and tinting. I'm mainly doing this to show you what it would look like if we had one clip that was drastically different from the other. If we were manually color correcting all of these clips, we would copy and paste these changes to multiple clips or to an adjustment layer. But even when you have multiple clips in the timeline and you want to match the colors of another shot, even if the other clip came in looking like this from the camera, here's what to do. Select the clip that you want to match the colors for, and in the Lumetri color panel, we'll open the Color Wheels and Match section. Activate Comparison View, and use the slider on the left to target whatever shot in the sequence you want this clip to match. Then click Apply Match, and there you go. You may need to make some finer adjustments for a perfect match, but this tool will usually get you 90% of the way with very little effort. We love to see it. Here's another example. If this indoor shot were to come in with a super cold color temperature and more of a nighttime vibe, we can repeat the process. This time, make sure to enable face detection. This will tell Premiere Pro to prioritize the skin tones when matching. You'll see that these clips end up looking pretty much identical from a color standpoint instantly. Try the color match tool in Premiere Pro to help you work faster and to stand out on your next project. Happy editing! Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.